Some calls from the request line. Caller number one. Hey, man, what's up? This Dominic from Shane No Trailer. What's up, Dominic? Oh, yeah, son. Yeah, Pablo. All right, I got that coming right up for you. Shout out to the radio station that gave you what you wanted. W1P, baby. What you doing from the front? What you doing from the back? Baby, break it down like that. What you doing from the front? What you doing from the back? Baby, break it down like that. 24, 34, 46. Getting thick and what you get, show us, show. Pretty face and some cute lips. Earring in the tongue and she knows she do what it do. Let it name for herself and she do it this well. I know how to keep a busy, keep herself. I'm over anytime, but in the call, she 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. And she right there, she know why she came here. And she named her cool boy be. Sniff a look, take a look, smoke a little, drink a little bit.
Suur-suur aitäh!